Hello everyone, welcome to Crafts and Drawings. Today we're going to make a paper house like this. It could stand like this where there is no air. For this you'll be needing a square sheet of paper and a marker. Now let's get started with the paper house. First we need to fold the paper into half. Now we need to remove the half and there will be a line here. On that line we need to fold one of the right side of the paper. Now we need to flip the page over and fold it into a half like this. Now there will be another line here. We need to fold both the sides on the line. Now this square parts you see, we need to put our thumb finger on the tip you see here. On the tip we need to put a thumb finger and adjust it like this. Now we need to do the same thing on the other square part. Now this, you see this part, we need to fold it. You see here till the triangle roof part so that it stands. Now the house is ready. We just need to draw the doors and the windows. I'm going to draw the door first. I'm going to take my marker. And I'm going to draw the door as if it's opening. And if you guys also are going to draw it, please follow me. You see the line here? You need to draw it like this and you need to trace it like this. It will look like as if it's an open door. Now exactly is mm, near this line we are gonna draw another line, and that's the window. It should be exactly near that line so that it doesn't look like too near the so it doesn't look like it's moved down. Now the house is ready. If you even in the place, if you put some kind of pencil or anything, it will stand. Thank you and bye.